So now this other demon, this demon that I have encountered in the pre-readings, he's ready to say something. He said that he is a demon of supremacy, and he's smiling. He's like just very proud to be a demon of supremacy. So these demons of supremacy, with all dark energies, their goal is to protect the person's ego, protect the identity as it's known to be. They want to keep things the same. They want to stay alive. They want to stay alive. They want to become more powerful. They want to feed off of the energy of the person. They attach to the person in a particular vibrational state, and they want for the person to stay in that same vibrational state. They have different personalities and different goals. And this demon of supremacy and other demons of supremacy cause the person to believe, just latch on to these mindsets and these belief systems that they just make the person feel like they are better than other people, to the extent that they feel like it's important for other people to believe in the same way. It's important for the organization of society. It's important to keep the people who are less than down. It's important to keep them down, keep them small. It's important to destroy them in some cases. And it's been very important for Donald Trump to believe that he is supreme over other people so that he can live with himself. The more insecure a person is, the more important it becomes that they figure out who is less than they are, who is smaller than they are. Because in comparison, they feel bigger, they feel better. And so they continue to squash the smaller people so they can continue to feel bigger and better. And I've known many people like this. The more insecure a person is, the more important it is that they are big and others are small. What else? What else do you want to say? The only reason why this guy is getting the floor is because the highest self is giving him permission. He has been with Donald Trump in many lifetimes. Like I said, these are the oldest, wisest, smartest, most powerful demons I've ever encountered. They're like, they have this like mob boss kind of energy. It's like, this person has created chaos. This person has committed murder, but they're the boss and they're the ones with the power. And so you just shut up and let it continue. Once again, my name is Queen Wortham. If you would like for me to look into your energy field and see what it is that is holding you back from creating the life that you want, then you can go to my website at queenwortham.com. And also want to remind you guys again that I will be doing a live spirit reading for many people all at once at the end of each month. Just go to my website, and right there at the top of the page will be where you can sign up so that you can get the Zoom link on the day that we're all meeting. Thank you again for being here. And I am sending you love. Bye-bye.